Three words that pop into my mind about the Body Sound Chair are freedom, hope, and joy.
Easy to use. The instruction, just be in your body, be aware of your body, and let yourself drift to sleep. It'll wake you up as need be, and just let go.
It's actually just 2 words, and it's true self.
Relaxation, opening, and love.
The 3 words that come to me are Sat Chit Ananda. It's a Hindu for existence, consciousness, bliss. That is the Hindu term for enlightenment.
Fun. I don't know if anybody says that, but it's an incredible journey.
Relaxation, spirituality, and joy.
Embodiment, peace, and bliss.
Only 3 words, okay. Relaxing, integrating, releasing.